how to use Google Sites to make portfolio. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a browser. Now go to sites.google.com and press enter on your keyboard. And now make sure to log into your account. Then you will reach on the home page of Google Sites. Here, you need to click on Template Gallery at the top right corner and you have to select a portfolio template. After that, you will come across this section, so you can even start with a blank page as well. So after customizing your portfolio, you can click Publish at top right corner and you can simply choose a URL, example your name. You can view your site with a custom URL like sites.google.com/view/username. So for now, let's customize this page. You can click on text boxes to change the title, font style and sizes as well. So you can delete this name and write in your name, or you can simply add anything according to your choice. And you can change the location as well. And once you have done that, here are different tools from where you can simply bold, make it italic on the line and choose the text color, change the font size and choose the title style as well. So simply let's bold this and make it to italic. You can click on this ladder and add more fonts. And once you are done with that, you can choose the color as well. Now you can use this emoji as well. You can change the picture as well. If you have your own, you can simply add it from the images section or from the drive as well. So here are different tools like pages and themes as well. You can simply add different style for your fonts. Here you can add your own name or you can add a logo as well. And here is the color icon. You can easily add the color in this way. And here you can easily add your work. Like let me add my work as content creator. And here you can easily add name of the presentation project, name of the video, again presentation projects and video, and you can add your email address as well. Once you're done with customizing your page, you can rearrange sections by dragging blocks or add new ones using the insert menu. After adding portfolio items like your work or achievements, then you can make any changes. And after you love this portfolio, you can click Publish to update your portfolio. Now simply add a web address and once done, click on Publish. So you can edit other pages like classes, activity, or contact to suit your portfolio as well. And once done, your portfolio will be successfully made from Google Sites. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.